Cryptocurrency Bitcoin has been making headlines for years, but it's only recently that the Bitcoin market has skyrocketed. In this post, we will discuss how to make money from Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. If you're looking to get into Bitcoin trading or any other cryptocurrency investment, then this is a great place to start. However, be sure to watch part 1 so you understand the origins of Bitcoin. If you are new here, why not subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive weekly videos on how to make money online. Trading Bitcoin markets. If you want to make a lot of money with Bitcoin, day trading the cryptocurrency markets is by far the best option. Much like Forex and stock markets, the cryptocurrency market is driven by supply and demand forces. Buyers and sellers come together on a platform, also known as an exchange, and trade cryptocurrency in the hopes of making a profit through arbitrage. Cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Bittrex, and Bitfinex provide the same service as Nasdaq, NYSE, and FTSE to day traders of equities and currencies. The distinction between crypto and Forex is that the latter is a regulated market. Government authorities such as the SEC regulates traders and firms to ensure legal compliance. It's the Wild West in the crypto market. There are several reports of exchanges breaking withdrawal restrictions, as well as allegations of some dishonest exchanges manipulating the market on a massive scale. The fact is that some of this is true, and certain exchanges are unwilling to return your money. Because they operate outside of the United States, crypto exchanges that do business internationally do not have to follow international KYC standards when onboarding new customers. As a result, only cryptocurrencies may be withdrawn from offshore exchanges. You'll need to send that crypto to an exchange such as Coinbase, where you can convert it into US dollars. Coinbase and other exchanges have offices in the United States, so you'll need to submit all of your KYC materials when withdrawing. However, you may exchange your BTC for USD and have Coinbase deposit it immediately into your bank account. If you use Coinbase, you'll have to remember to maintain some of your crypto gains in order to pay taxes. The IRS requires that you pay tax on your earnings if they are reported by Coinbase. Avoid an audit by consulting with your tax advisor and making sure you submit a return. Otherwise, trading the crypto markets is extremely lucrative if you have an understanding of what you're doing. The volatility in cryptocurrency price auction is a problem. It's possible for the value of cryptocurrencies to swing 10 to 20% in a single trading session. This type of price fluctuation does not occur in stable, regulated financial markets. If you do, however, discover a mentor with a good trading strategy, it's the most lucrative approach to earn money with Bitcoin. Crypto mining. It was once feasible to mine the Bitcoin blockchain on your desktop computer, as it was with other altcoins. However, as the value of Bitcoin rose, more individuals began investing in better computers for mining. It wasn't long before tech firms began developing and producing mining rigs. Mining rigs allow you to mine different cryptocurrencies more quickly, resulting in higher profits. However, technology improved and miners became smarter. Miners began combining several platforms to boost their hash power, establishing mining farms. Soon, mining farms began to appear in Asia, backed by government subsidies that improved mining returns. As the Bitcoin mania approached its all-time high of $20,000, more miners turned on every day, raising the hash rates. However, as Bitcoin became increasingly hard to mine, with regular PCs and specialist rigs, known as ASICs, were created that cost thousands of dollars. However, there is a method to make money mining Bitcoin without establishing a Chinese mining operation. Many mining firms that purchased equipment at prices of above $10,000 are going bankrupt as the value of Bitcoin falls from $11,000 to $8,000 in recent weeks. Second-hand mining rigs with a lot of service life left in them are frequently sold on eBay. Purchasing one or two of these expert machines and setting them up in your garage allows you to mine less-known coins and then trade them for Bitcoin on an exchange. Even if the profits aren't significant, they're a method to get your foot in the door, and if you choose a good coin and keep it, its value may rise later on. Becoming a Bitcoin consultant. Many new Bitcoin users find themselves learning a lot about Bitcoin in a short amount of time. For some people, the sheer volume of information is overwhelming and they're unable to comprehend the material. Others like learning all about the industry's technicalities, absorbing everything there is to know about it. You'll become an expert on everything you do with Bitcoin after only 6 months of study if you begin learning about it today. If you put in the effort to learn how the markets operate and how to trade, sell, and buy cryptocurrency, it's worth your time. Some people will pay you to learn what you know. You might create information courses on how to trade, acquire, and sell cryptocurrency, then market them through social media. Selling a digital product eliminates the associated overhead expenses, allowing you to conduct business without having to maintain any inventory. Even during a falling market, crypto consultants are in great demand. If you establish yourself as an expert in cryptocurrency, sooner or later you'll develop a client base. When the next Bitcoin bull run arrives, you'll be in the ideal position to take advantage of the next bubble. Bitcoin lending. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin is one of the most important features that makes it appealing to individuals using it online. Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or central bank. In essence, it's a lawless currency. Bitcoin, on the other hand, gets its integrity from blockchain technology, which guarantees the validity of all transactions that occur on its network. The general public, instead of banks or governments, control blockchain. As a result, you won't have to follow banking regulations when borrowing money. Lenders in the US dollar flat currency market must adhere to financial legislation and become a financial services provider in order to interact with investors and the general public. However, in the cryptocurrency world, you don't need any of this paperwork to do so. As a result, you may open an exchange if you want. No one will prevent you from establishing a lending business, and there are no regulations prohibiting it. The cryptocurrency market is both exciting and volatile. As the Bitcoin value fluctuates, so do people's expectations for the future of cryptocurrencies. Both of these markets provide individuals with unique opportunities to profit in the next stage of Bitcoin evolution. There are already several lending services accessible at offshore exchanges. Unchained Capital, BTC Pop, and Bitbond lend out your Bitcoin with an interest rate of up to 15% per year. You may profit from these lenders by increasing your Bitcoin earnings. Simply give them your Bitcoins and they'll send you a monthly income or an increase in the equity of your Bitcoin account with the exchange. Lending based on cryptocurrencies is a new sector that has yet to fully establish itself. Traditional lenders such as banks and credit unions use their own cryptocurrency to trade the markets and bank the profits they make from your money. Threats to Bitcoin's future. Bitcoin investing comes with a number of risks. Like any financial investment, you must be aware of the hazards associated with Bitcoin before putting your money into digital currency. There are dangers to the Bitcoin economy. The technology used to operate the blockchain is the first concern we have with Bitcoin. Recently, Google announced that it had created the world's first quantum computer. The 53-qubit machine is considered to be the start of a trend in which processing power increases with each generation. If that's the case, we'll only need 3 or 4 iterations of the technology before it can break 256-bit encryption. If this were true, quantum computers would allow hackers to penetrate and disrupt the blockchain. By the time computing power outstrips blockchain capacity, Bitcoin will be obsolete. It's too early to tell if another quantum computing using cryptocurrency would take its place. Be sure to turn on your notification bell, as in the next video, we share strategies you should use to make money with cryptocurrency.